quick update. I haven't updated this for a long time. As I said in the last video, I have a full-time job which takes up a lot of my time. Now unfortunately I lost my job a few weeks ago, just after Christmas, which wasn't ideal, so I've been scrambling around trying to find something else. What I'm doing now isn't ideal, but it's better than having no job. So I thought I'd just do a quick update. I still haven't moved all my stuff from my lock-up garage to my nan's garage. I'm going to start clearing it up today, clearing up the lock-up garage in preparation of moving everything across. Seeing as my weekends are now free again, which gives me a bit more time. So yeah, just a quick update. I haven't forgotten about the BMW. It's all still going ahead. Yeah, just life has got in the way, and it's not been a great start to 2023 so far. So it can only get better, hopefully. So yeah, I'll show you what the garage looks like, the lock-up garage looks like. See how much stuff I've got to move and throw away and sell. And yeah, we'll go from there. One other quick thing, I'm going to be rebranding the channel for all 8 or 9 of my followers. I've decided part-time car tinkerer is a bit of a mouthful, so we're just going to go with Samo's Garage. I'm Sam, and I've been called Samo by all my friends since I was 15, 16. So that's what everyone knows me as. So yeah, that's what it's going to be. So yeah, you'll see the new logo, etc. soon. Okay, so here's the lock-up garage. Excuse all the birds, they're very loud. So yeah, as you can see, it was a workshop, and I used to work on stuff in here, and gradually I've just started filling it up with junk, basically. We've got some GoPed frames, which I'm selling, by the way. We've got a couple of sets of seats. These are out of a Suzuki Swift GTI. These are E34 BMW 5 Series seats. They're probably going to end up in the E28 because they're much comfier than what it's got at the moment. And then you've just got random stuff in here. I won't be taking a lot of this with me, so there isn't really space for the tyre rack or this racking. So this will probably all be going up for sale. The workbench, which I built myself, that will be going. I've got to borrow a van from work so I can chuck the workbench in there, and that will be going over to my nan's. But yeah, a lot of this stuff will end up being sold. The garage next to me is also mine. That has a car in it, so some of these things will just get shoved in that garage for now, because I'll only be taking the bits I need around to my nan's. So yeah, let's start tidying it up. Okay, it's looking a little bit tidier. I've moved a lot of stuff. Dismantled the tyre rack and the shelving. Cleared a lot of stuff into the other garage. We're getting there. I'll start moving some stuff over to my nan's garage, and then it'll be empty in no time. Probably get rid of that blue shelving thing there. Probably keep this one though. This is quite handy. You can mount a press on it or something like that. Sort of a good height. But yeah, it's a good start for a couple of hours. I've got to go and pick my daughter up now from her dancing and singing lessons, so that's it for today. But yeah, not a bad start. This box is full of bits for the E28, the black box with the lid. So at some point I'll move that. It's too big to get into my car. I've only got a Mini. It's yeah, it's not going to fit in that easily. So we'll worry about that another time. So that's it for today. Very boring update, I'm afraid, but it's all stuff that needs to be done. As I said, I'm going to borrow a van from work and move the workbench and any other bits that I need to take round to my nan's garage. And then we can get started pulling the engine out of the E28 and get on with it. I did also spend a couple of hours yesterday evening round at my nan's, moving everything around. So the garage was originally my granddad's. He passed away middle of last year, and my nan gave me permission to use her garage, and yeah, do what I need to do in there. So yeah, there's a lot of my granddad's stuff in there still, which yeah, I've moved around, tidied up, reorganised, so that I can fit my stuff in there as well, basically. But yeah, we're getting there. I'm back round there again this afternoon, so I'll do a bit more tidying and create a bit more space, because my workbench is massive. It was a slightly over-engineered one when I built it, but it'll give plenty of room. So yeah, that's it for today. Like, subscribe, hit the little bell for the once in a blue moon that I put out a video, and yeah, I'll see you all soon.